let's shoot.
Oh god, it's so close. Hi. We just got out of the mall.
We just got out of the mall.
And yesterday, we went to Garden of the Gods a little bit.
Garden of the Gods. I'll show pictures.
But tomorrow...
Tomorrow?
Which I guess will be the start of the vlog.
Start of the vlog.
We're gonna go to a nature center and do some cool things there. But yeah, I don't know how much you recorded in there.
I recorded some puppies and some parrots.
We got some things.
We didn't. Yeah, we got some chocolate.
I tipped it. Oh, and I swore.
Oh.
Oh,
shoot.
and I keep poop. Okay.
Yeah, zoom on this baby.
What are these called again? Gourmet chocolate?
Gourmet.
The lady at the place told me that this is creme.
No, the brown one.
Creme douche.
Kind of looks like a pimple.
Cream douche.
Cream douche.
Yeah, so we got some chocolates from
and
my
then
family.
we got some Hot Topic stuff. I bought him a black Sabaton shirt.
Did you take a picture of the waterfall?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah.
I'll put that there.
That's where we ate our food at. We ate this really good shrimp and rice.
We had that. I didn't record much of it because we were just having a good time.
We had a great time.
I had
kind of like Dippin' Dots.
Dippin' Dots.
If you guys have Dippy Dots, or
they were knockoff.
What did we have? Mini frosts, mini freezes.
Mini freezes.
But yeah, they're like these little mini frozen ice creams, and I had it for the first time, and I liked it. It was really good. So yeah, we just hung out and did some stuff. We'll do some cool stuff tomorrow.
I got a Game of Thrones shirt, which
and I got a Black Sabbath shirt, which is awesome.
Black Sabaton.
Black Sabatons, because I don't see Black Sabaton shirts very often, but I don't look for them very often. But I just saw it, and you were like, "Why don't you get a shirt?" And I'm like, "I'm totally gonna get a shirt, man." And so I got a shirt, and now we have shirts.
I have shirts.
So now we each have 2 shirts in total.
2 shirts in total.
So, yeah, we're gonna do some fun stuff tomorrow. We're gonna go to a little creek and a little lake, and
I don't know. I'm like terrible at vlogging because. Yeah.
There you go.
Okay, so we're gonna chill out. So see ya in the vlog. Bye.
Oh God, I was looking at rocks.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Buy one, get one free? Do you want to buy 2 chickens?
No, I don't want to buy chickens.
I want that black one. I want one of these brown ones. A string on your head. What the? Oh my God.
So
what the poupée?
Oh
my God.
Doing okay? Yeah.
Look at that white one. What is he doing? Oh, he's death staring me. Oh, he doesn't like me. Don't eat that.
Oh my gosh.
Don't eat that stick. Hey.
It's like, hey.
He's going. He's licking the glass. He's trying to bite me. He does not like me. Birds don't like me.
Oh my gosh. All the dry stuff into this bowl.
This has been like the first time that I've been like behind your camera and you've been in front. Yeah. How's it feel? Does it feel better? Does it feel weird? Yeah? Does it? Yeah? Okay. Why don't you tell them what we're doing, Bree? What are you doing next? Oh.
No! What the heck?
She just tried to steal your freaking measuring? What a jerk. You freaking mean cat, you. You guys like my cat calendar? I know, it's pretty sweet. What did you do to my cat? What did you do to my cat? Did you abuse my cat? Oh God. Did you try to scoop it with that? I don't know if that'll, what? How'd you do that? Alright, well. Wait, pour that back in the bag. What are you doing? You're weirdo.
I'm already making a mess. Alright, so we mixed all of the...
Hold on. What did you do a minute ago?
I was putting my battery back in, and the SD
Fell out of your hands. And where did it go?
No, it flinged right underneath the oven. So Nathan had to go get that. So why'd you do that? I had a pool.
You really like pools, don't you?
No, you can't make a. Anyways, we're gonna put the wet stuff in, and yeah, we're gonna put the wet stuff in now.
Okay, what do we need first?
Okay.
Go ahead. We're gonna use almond milk because Bree's a vegan.
You guys are vegan pancakes.
We're gonna use vegan eggs too. You got powder all over your camera. Well, there you go. You got it. You can do it. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. That's some grade A, well, maybe a B, grade B pouring. So you had to look at it. I would have closed my eyes and poured it. What next? One egg? Okay. Grab an egg. Get that thing cracked in there. So what happened?
I ran out of space.
Okay.
So now we're making the pancakes. I burnt this one a little bit because I wasn't paying attention. But that's Shrek.
Pull that little pancake aside.
Oh yeah.
That's
I made Nathan that pancake because he's on a diet.
You made a sperm.
Yeah. He's on a diet for sperm.
Yeah. Did you smack the thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna make babies.
Yeah, make some baby pancake. Just don't let them touch, then you'll make a figure 8 pancake, and nobody likes a figure 8 pancake. Don't touch! Okay, we'll be back.
Okay.